Chef Steve.
So today we're gonna make a shrimp scampi pizza. And we got our fresh dough right here. We're gonna toss it around. We got hand to hand. Make the pizza. Stretch it out. Keep stretching it. Put it down. I'm gonna roll it. Get all the air bubbles out of it. Get it nice and prepared. This pizza has no sauce. It has a garlic, olive oil, and it gets Italian seasoning, and it gets the lovely shrimps. And today we have our mozzarella cheese mixed with a little cheddar. We just want to stretch this dough out so it can fit our pie pan. This is like something different. Everybody doesn't eat fish. A lot of people may be allergic, but it's one of my favorite. Shrimp is one of my favorite foods to eat. So anything that I can create with shrimp, I'm going to try. Get it nice and round. Ready. So now we're going to put our garlic butter oil. And we just spread this all over the pizza. Fresh Italian herbs. All right, so now we're gonna add our cheese. Get this all mixed up really good. And we take our cheese and we just sprinkle it all around. If you love cheese, you can put extra cheese. I'm just trying to get this all around the pizza. Our shrimp scampi over here, which I lightly sauteed with garlic butter and a squeeze of lemon. And you just cook it until it's nice and light pink. You don't want to overcook your shrimp because they'll get very small. And you'll be like, wow, these are not the same shrimp that I bought. So now we're going to place our shrimps on the pizza. And I like to do mine going in a circle. So I can see my directions. I work myself outside to the inside. Shrimp scampi pizza ready to go in the oven. We're gonna let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes at like 425, and then we'll just check it after 20 minutes. We're gonna cut our lemon. Cut it in half, and then we're gonna wedge it. Wedge it after that. And we'll take it and we're just gonna squeeze right across the top, right there. Just like that. You want that shrimp to get all of that. You want it to be nice and scampy. And now we're gonna place it in the oven. We're gonna place it on the bottom rack, because you want the bottom of the pizza to be nice and crispy. We're gonna set it on the bottom rack. And we'll come back in 20 minutes, check it out. I'm pretty sure it should be done. And in the meantime, I'm gonna get this clean. There it is, shrimp scampi pizza. Garlic butter oil, line the crust. Line the crust with it. Keep that nice and all the crispy parts not so crispy. Really good. Really, really good.